Well, here we are doing a grocery shopping day. First thing I got was a spaghetti squash that you just saw, and now I'm looking at the produce. They had these big giant things of spinach on sale, so I decided to grab one. Haven't had spinach in quite some time. Another veggie I haven't had in a while is asparagus, and they had fresh asparagus on sale, so I got a bunch, and I'm going to definitely be having that during the week. If you ever have any bloat, asparagus is a natural diuretic, in case you were wondering. Here's these outer aisle cauliflower sandwich thins that I love. I think I might make either a pizza for a lean and green coming up or a turkey burger or something. These are the little heirloom tomatoes that we love in our salads. And I've been doing this kind of ground turkey now instead of the 99% lean. I've been doing the 93. Gives you a little bit less, but the flavor is a lot better. Bag of string cheese, you never know when you want a string cheese, and some hamburger dill chips because I'm going to be making the Big Mac in a bowl. I needed some olive oil cooking spray. Canned tuna, can never go wrong with keeping these in the pantry, and this is the pink salmon that I love. If you're in the mood for salmon and you don't feel like paying $15 for a piece, buy the canned salmon. Little pizza sauce from Rayo's. This is what I'm going to be using for my little cauliflower thin pizzas. And these, I don't know if you know this, one of these is a lean and green. So these are great when they're on sale. I picked up two. It was two for $6. So really good way to get a lean and green, to work or when you're not in the mood to cook. So here's some of the Laughing Cow that I buy, the garlic herb, and this one is the light Swiss. Both of them have the same macros, so one of them is a condiment. Fat-free mozz for my little cauliflower thin pizzas that I'm gonna make during the week. I got the fat-free kind. I don't know why, but I did. It's not as flavorful and it doesn't melt as good, but I don't know. I don't know what possessed me to do it. And I have some eggs I got, and I'm just wandering the store looking to see what else I could find. And that was kind of it. I gathered everything up, put them in the grocery cart, and off we go. And what I want to show you on the way home here is the view. You guys know we moved to the mountains because we love to hike, and the ride home is so beautiful. Here I am just loading up the back of my Jeep, and you can see the mountain in the background to the left behind me with that big evergreen. It is the most beautiful place to live. I could not be happier where we are. The air is clean. There's just so much to do, and it's just scenically stunning. I cannot wait for the winter to see what it looks like when the mountains are snow-capped. So I'm gonna close the door, get in, and I'm gonna the last minute or so, I'm gonna show you my ride home. And thanks for coming along with us today on our little grocery shopping escapade. And I'll see you tomorrow for weigh-in. Bye, guys.
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. can spend all day.